Welcome back to my channel. My name is winniecarmela and today I'm going to be showing you a few days in Iceland. We are here for a quick trip, so literally 2 days in Iceland. If you are new here, welcome, hi, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to click the like button, and if you are returning, thank you for returning, and I hope you enjoy this video. We finally made it to Iceland. The time lapse that you're gonna see, it's probably gonna look so smooth sailing and straightforward, but the journey that we had to take, the peaks and troughs that we had to go through to get here, honestly, I don't even know if I'm ready to talk about it yet. I might need to process it first. Basically, we missed our flight, our first flight. Our next flight got delayed, and then we had to wait about 3 hours for our next flight, and yeah, so you can imagine. We were supposed to get here at 10 AM, something like that. It's now 3 AM and we have a full day's tour tomorrow at 9 AM. So I won't stay up for too long, just opening up the video and saying hi, showing my face because I haven't spoken yet. I'm gonna get ready for bed and call it a day.
On the way back, that will be your nap time of the day.
Yay!
Should be back in the city around 7 o'clock.
Wow, the whole day.
Learn everything about the bird life in Iceland. To be fair, I've got these boots on, but see you when we get there. We're going to get closer because it's not really doing it justice right now. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, wow, he's being brave. Look at him. Go on, sis. This is mad. We're literally behind the waterfall now. Wow. Come and see nature. I am absolutely, we've literally been out since what time is it? We've been out since 9 AM. We're walking back now to the coach. Right, we are ready. We got dressed, we got changed, we had a shower, and we're gonna try and get to the sushi place. One piece, that was so fun.
That was very fun.
So we're gonna go in now and have us some good sushi. See you in there. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god. Everything here is amazing.
It's amazing. Slapping.
Everything's the same. Are you glad you didn't get the set menu?
Low-key glad, isn't it? At least we got to customize it and get everything that we really wanted.
Yeah. So we've just come back from, well, not just come back, but we came back from the sushi place. Absolutely gorgeous. We also tried the whale and it was actually really, really nice. It kind of just tasted like beef, no?
Tuna.
That's, yeah. It kind of tasted like tuna. Really nice. I recommend it if you ever come here. It's called Sushi Social. We had like 2 lots of sushi. We had a lot of food anyway, you saw it. But yeah, we had a lot of food. Feeling very, very satisfied. Then we just came back, got ready for bed, had a few drinks, played a few games, and now I'm knackered, so bedtime I think. Yeah, we'll check back in with you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to Sky Lagoon, which is different to Blue Lagoon because that's like the traditional, like, well-known one, but we're going to go to the new lagoon that they recently opened in the last year and see what that's all about. It looks really, really scenic, so yeah, looking forward to that. So yeah, just thought I would close today's like part of the vlog and say goodnight, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Woke up to this gorgeous view. I think I showed you, to be fair, but I'm showing you again. Look at that. Insane. But yeah, just got out of bed. We are about to go to breakfast now. We've got like 15 minutes left, 20 maybe. But I didn't get a chance to show you breakfast yesterday because we rushed out. So I'm going to show you today. And then after that, we are going to Sky Lagoon. I'm really excited for that. That's like gonna be chill. Yesterday was like hardcore sightseeing, mountain climbing, or whatever that was, volcano climbing. Today is gonna be purely relaxation, a soft life. So, prepare to see soft life in action.
Ooh, whatever that is smells nice already.
I know, crepes I think. I wonder if they do crepes. I want some crepes. Those crepes they had that we had the other day, well yesterday, I really want them again.
That we had yesterday?
Yeah, the sugar, plain sugar crepe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's oats. I think so. I'm not sure. Okay, just the one. There we go. And then I'm guessing put it all over. It's kind of like crepes.
Yeah.
No, they need to have these everywhere.
Everywhere. Technique, skill.
Do I have to put this down now, don't I?
Yes. Look at that skill.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
And you see the final result when it's ready. Let's see. Oh, wait. It's sticking. I think that might be ready. That is. Oh, fuck. That's not ready. Oh, I don't know. I can't put the I'll put both on.
Okay.
Same height. Nice. We're just making our way to the bikes now. Yeah, there's actually no trains. There are no trains because there aren't enough people living here. The population is very, very small. That's crazy. But yeah, look. We're back. So I don't think I showed you before. What I need to do is go on the camera. No, go on the app, sorry. It's called OSS. So OSS, this one. Click on that. Click this scan button. You'll have to like register and everything, but we've already registered, so we just scan that. Done. And then we click unlock. Basically just gonna count how long we're on it for, and then it's gonna tell us how many Icelandic kronas it costs, and then we can just slide to end it. So that's it. Let's get on the bikes. See you when we get there. I can't lie to you. I feel like, I don't even know how to describe this. I feel like this is what heaven looks like. Those of us who have been good girls and good boys, this is where we're going. This is what heaven looks like, guys. It's warm, it's peaceful, it's not too hot, and we're gonna have some drinks. You can get like some drinks at the bar. I feel so at peace. Do I have to go into the office on Monday? But is it mandatory? Chop life before it chops you. Oh, so it doesn't come with like wine, prosecco, the date night package.
Not the prosecco, the champagne.
I wonder what yours tastes like. Oh, yours is 10. Are you dumb? It's fresh, but I wish I got yours. Yours is so nice, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Thank you so much. I'm being a right auntie now. Darlings, if this isn't soft life, please tell me what it is. We got the date night package, which means we get 3 drinks, we get a platter, and we get 7 separate shows. So this is the first step, just the lagoon itself, and then we'll have like face masks, and I think we get 2 face, no, 1 face mask, and then like a freezing room, steam room, I think. Wow, it actually floats. We're going to the fountain now. And then we go back out. And then we go back into the water.
Yeah. Makes sense because the entrance is that way.
Yeah. Oh guys, that was so nice. Now we're back in the water just like that. And it feels even better because we're like all scrubbed down. So our skin's like really sensitive. Honestly, that was absolutely glorious. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. 12 out of 10. So now we're gonna go and have some food. We've got like a platter that's part of the date night package. And it's like drizzling a little bit. Where's he gone? Oh, he's disappeared, I'm sorry. It's like drizzling a little bit, so it's like perfect. I wish I could come here like every weekend, do you know what I mean? Like a weekend Sky Lagoon, that would be nice, isn't it? Right, so we're going back to the entrance now to get our platter. We did halfway by bike and halfway by scooter, but we've just got into the church. I'm so ignorant, I don't have a clue what any of the touristy things are called, but we've made it up to the church bit. I'm going to put the description of what they're called, but yeah, we made it to church, so now we're going to go back down to the city centre and have some lunch. We're going to try and get some fish and chips and some lobster soup. It's huge, literally massive. Absolutely massive. But yeah, I'm quite tired. I feel like we've burnt like definitely over 1,000 calories today. So yeah, we're gonna make our way downtown now. catfish was absolutely delicious. We're going back into the hotel now. We'll probably have a nap and then maybe pack before dinner, but yeah.
Love you, babe. Love you, babe. Oh, babe. Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how you.
Home time. Packed and ready to go. We have our shuttle bus at 6:30. We'll definitely come back another time. I might say goodbye later, but if I don't, see you guys when we get back to the UK.
Nobody feels next to me.
Manager of the next flight for the Heathrow Terminal 5, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all aboard today.